Hi everyone, today I want to show you how do I use Nomad Sculpt to speed up my workflow on iPad. I think it is very beneficial because with 3D scene you can easily set up your scene and then just things to your liking. So yeah, with that let's start. And I wanted to just mention that sadly I don't have a recording of a scene that I just showed you. So I have to show you the Nomad Sculpt workflow on another scene. First of all, I started with the base sphere. I wanted to create a shape that looks like a rock. After that I created a ground plane, added some hills here and there to just make a whole scene better looking. Add some variety to the environment, and on top of everything I used stamp tool with a rock alpha texture to add some details. Yeah, and you already see that with that stamp tool the scene started to look something like a rocky or mountain environment. So I already had one rock, and with the power of 3D I can easily duplicate that, move around, scale and so on. So yeah, I will do this. Move, scale, yeah, like this. Simple. Next I switch shading from matcap to PBR and change the materials to something that looks more like a rock. After that I added light and enabled post-process. So with those two it started to look even nicer and more realistic. And in the end I added image texture with some sky picture. And yeah, that's basically it, the whole workflow. We have a scene, so we can set up camera or add a new object. And if you spend a little bit more time on the scene, you can easily create something more interesting, something that I will show you in a minute. Very simple ground plane, few rocks, and it looks really nice as a base. After you will create this kind of scene in Nomad Sculpt, you will have a very nice scene that you can use as a base for further experiments in your painting app. So I grab a few screenshots and I opened them in Infinite Painter. I didn't have any special idea what I wanted to create, so I just tried to have some fun and exaggerate what I see in the picture. So I added a few lights here and there. On one picture I added snow, on other I added some grass, some foliage, and yeah, that's it. I hope that you like it and it will be helpful for you. And I think that's it in today's video. See you in the next one. Bye!